Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, Z here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the TRN v80s. So these are another pair of earphones that were sent out to me by Lillian from Logitech. So these v80s have a 4-driver setup in each earphone consisting of 2 balanced armature drivers and 2 dynamic drivers. So altogether you get a total of 8 drivers. Let's cut straight to it and talk about the sound that these earphones produce. So right off the bat we have a brighter sounding in-ear pair of earphones. From what I hear, they sound V-shaped, and by that I mean that you have a punchy pronounced bass and matching highs, which again make these a brighter sounding pair of in-ear earphones. Now on the downside, these noticeably produce lots of sibilance, similar to the ZS5s and ZS6s, and basically for those out there that don't know what sibilance is, it's an emphasis on the consonants. So you'll hear lots of s noises when those mouth restricting words are sung by the vocalist. I'm hoping though in due time, maybe after a bit of burn-in, that the sibilance will settle down. If any of you out there that are watching this review own a pair, please feel free to chime in and let us know if the sibilance dies down after some burn-in. That would be much appreciated. Now for the mids, as I said before, these are V-shaped, so the mids are a bit recessed. For the soundstage it is pretty good, but I am noticing that it's a bit narrow and not as airy sounding as I would like it to be. The instrument separation is exceptionally good, something that I quite frankly expected on these quad driver earphones. All those drivers are essentially sharing the load. These are also forward sounding as opposed to laid back. I would honestly say that these earphones are best suited in my opinion for the classical music genre type, or anything primarily instrumental, and I say the same thing with pretty much most brighter sounding signature earphones. Moving on now to the fit. So as you can see, these fit in my ears and stay on my ears, but like most IEMs, which I'm prone to having stability issues with, they don't exactly stay sealed in my ears. They pop out enough to lose that required seal for that fullness of sound that I would otherwise get if they stayed in. So I have to push them in every minute or so. Though I should add that this is a common problem with me and in-ear earphones. For the design and build, we've got an all-metal shell. The shell feels like some type of a mix of metals, maybe some pewter and something else, which gives it that significant amount of weight. Yup. Quite the heft to them. And on the shell you've got a 2-pin flush port that is pretty much compatible with most 2-pin style cables, and this includes all those KZ cables, so you can essentially use almost any 2-pin cable with these earphones. So a big thumbs up for that. Now moving on to the included cable, it is a 2-pin braided cable, and the version that I was sent has no inline microphone, but a version with the microphone exists and is sold for just a couple of dollars more. And then lastly, the cable terminates with a straight 3.5mm headphone jack tip. So to conclude, these are a very detailed sounding pair of earphones with slightly reduced mids and that annoying sibilance. They actually sound very similar to the brighter sounding pairs by KZ like the ZS5s, ZS6s, and the ZSRs. So if you are a fan of the sound on those, then you'll most definitely like the sound on these. Now, whether or not that sibilance will settle down from frequent burn-in, I guess we'll find out eventually. For now, that's been it. Be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button to get notified for my upcoming review, either on the BGVP DX3s or the KZ AS10s. Actually, you guys decide which review you would rather see first. Let me know in the comment section below. For now, thank you all for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Later, guys.